We'll guide you through how to configure Stripe payment methods to ensure your business transactions run smoothly. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Stripe website and log into your account. Once you're in, navigate to the dashboard, which is usually your starting point. On the left-hand menu, find and click on Payments to access all the payment options available. You'll see a tab called Payment Methods. Click on it to manage and configure the different methods you want to offer your customers. Stripe supports a variety of methods such as credit cards, Apple Pay, Google Pay, and more. Click Add Payment Method to start setting up a new option. You'll then see a list of available methods. Choose the one you need and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. For each method, you might need to provide additional information or complete some verification steps, so make sure you have everything ready. It's important to test the payment method once it's set up to ensure it's working properly. You can do this by using Stripe's test mode, which simulates transactions without real money. This is a great way to catch any issues before going live. Remember, configuring these correctly ensures a better checkout experience for your customers, which can lead to more successful transactions. Once everything is in place, you can monitor the performance and make adjustments as needed from the same dashboard. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.